Welcome back to another episode of Michelle's Chicken Claws in the Kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the kitchen again today, and wow, my hands look really big just then. Today I am testing out some superfood lattes from Nutra Organics. The reason why I wanted to try these is because they have a lot of mixed reviews and the products are so beautiful. I don't know if you've seen them before. I'll insert some images here, but the latte colors are so beautiful. They're like bright unicorn sort of colors. So I don't know if it's one of those things where people buy a product and they want to like it so badly that they just make an excuse or leave a good review, like just because they really want to like the product. Some people have been like, this is disgusting, it doesn't mix properly. Some people don't read instructions properly either. So I wanted to go through 4 of the Superfood Latte flavors with you and test each one of them out. And y'all know I'm going to be super honest if I like it or not. I wanted to also let you know I got samples. Because of the mixed reviews, I didn't want to go and invest in like a $20 pack of velvet latte that I'm going to absolutely hate and use it once. So you can get these from Nourish Life or directly from their website. So the sample sachets are $2 and the latte packs in a full size are like $19.95. So there was no way in hell I was going to spend $80 on these if I did not like them. So yes, jump onto Nourish Life or their website directly if you'd like to sample them for yourselves. Otherwise, you're welcome to watch me test them out and let you know if I like them or not. Now, I'm just looking on their website and they do suggest to use milk to make the latte. So I'm guessing that can be a milk of your choice. It says to add 1 heaped teaspoon to a little heated or chilled milk, stir to combine, and then add the remaining milk to make the 200 mils. If you would like it stronger, add 2 teaspoons. I'm going to start out with the Golden Latte. So the Golden Latte is an Ayurvedic chai, turmeric, manuka honey, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. They're all certified organic. This one has the goodness of turmeric and the unique healing properties of manuka honey. It makes a bright golden latte. These are all gluten-free and vegan, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to attempt the first one with some almond milk, and if it tastes like crap, then I might move on to normal milk. I like the Califia Farms unsweetened, soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free almond milk. This is amazing in smoothies as well, really yummy. So I'm just using our coffee machine milk frother, the Nespresso one. I just think that'll be easier than, you could probably just heat it up in a pot though if you wanted to. While I'm waiting for that to heat up, if you haven't heard of Nutra Organics before, they make like health bars and collagen powder, that type of thing, so a lot of superfoody sort of stuff. I do actually really want to try some of their antioxidant bars, so let me know if you want a first impression on some of their snacks. Love snacks. Okay, so we have some frothy milk ready to go. Let me know if you have, ooh, look how bright it is. Let me know if you use these type of things. I've never tried a superfood latte in my life, so this will be interesting. If you have a favorite one that is actually yummy and you're not just saying it because it looks pretty. Oh my goodness, it's got a really strong smell. Do you know what it smells like? It smells like curry because of the, I think it's got coconut in it maybe. Just gonna give that an extra good mix. Okay, so the almond milk did not froth at all. It's looking pretty sad actually. It actually looks like curry. You know what, I'm just gonna try this one. This can be the tester. Sorry, turmeric latte. It honestly, I can't get over that it smells like curry. First of all, it does have bits in it. It does taste kind of like a chai, not as sweet, a little bit more spicy, and it definitely does not look as pretty as it did in the pictures. It has a lot of bits in it. Almond milk may not have helped the situation. I'm probably not the hugest fan of that one, but I think I'll try the rest on normal milk because I don't think it's fair if every single one of them is going to look like crap. All the pictures look so pretty. Yeah, that's probably not my cup of tea. Pun. Okay, so the next one that I have is the Lunar Latte. I think this is one of the most popular ones out there. This is the purple one. This contains reishi mushroom, he shu wu, do not know what that is, chamomile flowers, lavender buds, and passion flower petals. I think this is meant for nighttime. A blissful blend of vibrant purple carrot, traditional Chinese adaptogens, and organic floral botanicals make a moon milk potion to help you drift off to sleep. Enjoy with your choice of milk. Okay, we got some serious froth going on now. Ooh, this one smells really yummy. This one smells sweeter. It kind of smells like vanilla. So I'm just going to go to town on this bottom bit and really try to get the bits out of it. Okay, so I've just poured the rest of the milk in, and that definitely looks a little bit more appetizing than the last one. It also smells a bit more appetizing. I'm guessing that they maybe used like a barista machine to make their pictures because, yeah, mine doesn't look like theirs. Okay, well, it smells delicious. Oh, I hope it tastes good. It is pretty. It's sweet and vanilla-y, and I can't think of any other way to describe it. I don't mind this one. I'd probably drink that. Well, I am drinking it right now, but yeah, the taste is quite nice, and it definitely doesn't have as many bits in this one. I really like that one the more I drink it. I'd be happy to recommend this one. So this was the Lunar Latte. I think the normal milk made a big difference. So if you are vegan, you might just need to find like a coconut milk or something that froths really well. That almond milk I use, I don't really use it for coffee. It's more for my smoothies. So yeah, you just need to find something that's going to froth up. I think that would really help. Okay, moving on to the Velvet Latte. This is to detox and energize. It's beetroot turmeric. And this one has beetroot chai infusion, makes a beautiful vibrant pink latte. This one has beetroot powder, turmeric powder, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, vanilla bean, cayenne pepper. Wow, that is so bright. Check that out. I think these are also probably caffeine free, so they're a good alternative to coffee. Now that one looks pretty. I don't think I like this one. You can almost taste the beetroot. Like, I know it's got beetroot powder in it. And this, look, these are healthy lattes. They're not going to taste like a coffee or a hot chocolate. So I acknowledge that. Definitely, maybe it's just because the last one was so sweet. This one still has a sweetness to it. It's just got a little hint of like that pepper is coming through a little bit just at the back, but it's not bad actually. I think the milk, the normal milk, makes a huge difference. I could probably drink that actually. Maybe in the morning that would be good with the pepper in it to like boost you and get going. It's not overpowering though. I thought the smell of it, I thought, oh, this is just gonna taste like milky pepper, but it doesn't. It's just not as sweet as the Lunar Latte. The Lunar Latte is quite sweet and floral, and this one is a little more maybe earthy or something. Okay, so the last one I have is the Mermaid Latte. This is for stress relief and energizing. Dazzling blue latte infused with adaptogenic herbs and honey chai notes. This delicious infusion of sea minerals, blue superfoods, and herbs makes a dazzling marine blue latte. Wow, that is so bright. And it hasn't frothed up as much for some reason. I can't explain the smell of this. Slightly sweet, but there's something else going on and I don't know how to explain it. I don't like it. Yeah, no, I don't like that one. There's something about I think that was similar to the golden one with the like turmeric and the chai sort of thing going on, but for some reason it's really weird because I used the same milk for the beetroot and the Lunar Latte, or the red velvet, whatever it was, and the blue has not stayed frothy, I don't know if it's something to do with the spices in there, but obviously I used the almond, which wasn't frothy anyway, but that one's really flat too. At this stage, I'd have to say my pick would be the Velvet and the Lunar lattes. I could easily drink those and not feel like, oh, I'm drinking these because they're healthy. I actually like the taste of those and the texture, and I felt like the finish on them was a little bit creamier and they didn't have as many bits in them. So as with any sort of food or drink, it's down to personal preference, but yeah, I just don't think that either of the Mermaid or the Golden Latte, just the texture's not very nice either. So I would happily recommend the Velvet and the Lunar for sure. So that concludes today's kitchen video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video testing out some healthy superfood lattes with me. I'd love to hear from you down below if you have tried any of the products I've tested today. And as always, if you do have any amazing products or finds that you've recently discovered, let us know down below, whether it's health or beauty related. We would love to hear your suggestions. But yeah, otherwise, any requests for new videos, let me know down below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye. I'm blue, da ba dee da ba da 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 ba dee da ba da.